What is up, everyone? It's me again, and welcome to another collection video. And today's collection video, I'm doing Tom and Jerry Jigsaw puzzle. And yeah, now I only have 5 DVDs to get started with the Jigsaw puzzle. So here we go. Jigsaw puzzle. Let's start with Tom and Jerry, which is specially compilation shorts of Tom and Jerry. And Tom and Jerry. The other one is just called Tom and Jerry. Blast off bars. The Fast and the Furry. And last but not least, Pause for a Holiday. That's the last on DVD. So you're right. Wow, look at this. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.